Modern business operations are submerged in a volume of data that exceeds any single person's ability to process. Without a system to filter it, this flood of industry news and digital metrics can quickly breach a company's internal focus, turning a wealth of information into a chaotic liability. Building that filtration system starts with the Information Intake Framework. It is designed to move an organization from simply collecting data to actively mastering its organization. The text on the card highlights a fundamental transition in the business world, quoting, "We're not in an information age anymore. We're in the information management age." That observation comes from comedian and television host Chris Hardwick. Because the rate of change for tools and best practices is accelerating, maintaining currency requires constant monitoring. Success in this environment depends on your ability to prioritize curation over mere collection. This intake and sharing framework provides 3 specific steps to build that internal pipeline. Step 1 is to identify relevant categories. You must determine which specific sectors, like AI developments or competitor pricing, are the most critical for your specific organization to follow. Step 2 is mapping your source network. This involves assigning specific news sites, reports, and social accounts to individual team members so that every critical category has a dedicated owner. Step 3 is to establish sharing channels. You need a dedicated internal space where these individual insights are distributed across the entire organization. Combining these steps transforms a disorganized pile of unread bookmarks into an active intelligence engine, where every piece of data is vetted and shared with the people who need it. Grab a notebook, pause the video, and select one of these 3 steps to apply to your current business project right now. Solopreneurs often face a challenge at Step 2, as they lack a team to delegate specific sources to. An effective solution is time batching. Instead of assigning sources to different people, you assign them to different days. You might check competitor news on Monday, read technical blogs on Tuesday, and review social trends on Wednesday. This method prevents your focus from being fractured by a daily fire hose of data, ensuring you only consume information in controlled, predictable intervals. Mastering information intake involves 3 distinct actions: defining your categories, mapping your specific sources, and creating a shared channel for insights. This system creates a clear boundary between a team that is constantly distracted by industry noise and one that possesses a streamlined, actionable view of the market. To test your current priorities, consider this. If you were forced to ignore all other noise and follow only one single information source to guide your business, what would it be? Share your answer in the comments.